What's up everyone, it's Eddie back with another quick unboxing. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Today I'm unboxing the 2020 Roku Ultra. I got this stream box because I was tired of fixing any third-party devices running Android operating systems. I'll talk about this later in the unboxing. This Roku has many features I'm interested in. This streaming box runs the Roku operating system. It features 4K, HDR, Dolby Vision Atmos, Bluetooth, and support for Google Assistant. This box is very easy to set up. All you do is plug and play. You can pause the video here and read some of the features. What's in the box is the stream player, remote with a headphone jack, headphones, batteries, HDMI cable, and the power adapter. Let's get into this beast. The first thing you see, and when you pull off that top, is the Roku stream box. There's branding on the paper stream box holder. Next is the quick start guide. Here's the remote. It has a nice size feel. On the right side of the controller is the volume rocker and the mute button. The buttons are soft but have an okay push feel to them. The headphone jack is on the left side. Looking under the hood is where the two AA batteries and the remote sync button are located. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, here's the power cord, the HDMI cable, the two batteries, and the headphones. Here's the Roku Ultra. A small receiver / transponder is in the front. On the right side is the Find Remote button. On the back you have your user interface ports. There is a USB 3.0, HDMI 2.0 / HDCP.22, the Ethernet, and power DC in. The left side has no ports or buttons. On the bottom is the reset button. The headphones are okay, not premium, and come with different size ear tips. You can use your own headphones, either Bluetooth or wired. Side note, using a wired headset with your remote will drain your remote batteries faster. Also, you can use the Roku app to do remote listening and control the Roku box. The user interface is a lot faster and there is a lot less bloatware that makes these boxes more reliable than the other Android boxes or streamer sticks like the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. The Amazon Fire Stick 4K has too many service apps that are in your face and cannot be deleted. These extra apps take up all the memory on your stick. They also make the Fire Stick freeze and crash. Too many apps running in the background makes using the Fire Stick sluggish. Overall, the Roku Ultra is easy to use and it's a reliable streaming box on the market today. That's it for me. Again, subscribe and smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Peace.